Welcome to our channel. Draw and color a sketch of the moon and stars today. Take out your black marker. Draw a curved body. Draw a hat shape at the top. Small circle, striped. Then draw the outline of the moon's face. Tightly close eyes and mesmerizing eyelashes. A curved mouth. Cute blush. Write two Z's. Then we'll draw a little cloud on the side. Draw a star. Another hat. A small circle. The stars are asleep too. The moon's hat is supplemented with a small circle. Stripes on the star hat. Simple pattern completed. Let's fold it. That's great. Now let's get some color. Bright yellow. Pink. Orange. Rose. Light purple. Light green. Red. Pink star. Blue. Light green. Dark green. Blue clouds. Okay, done. It's very beautiful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.